we're gonna go have fun.
Exactly.
Hey guys. Wow, it's been forever since I've actually done this. I've missed vlogging a lot. Today is Thursday, and I'm getting ready to go to work, and then straight from work, I am going to New York for Ipsy Live, aka what GenBeauty has turned into. You guys know me, I haven't missed a single GenBeauty, and I still don't intend to, even though it's not GenBeauty anymore. So, I don't know if you guys know my friend Cotton Tolly here on YouTube. I am meeting up with her. She and I are rooming together. And yeah, I'm really excited. I still have to go into work today, and then straight from work, I am going to the bus station and taking a bus from Boston into New York City. And yeah, I'm super excited. Like, it's been way too long since I've seen all my YouTube friends. And Pep, what are you doing? Come here. Also, I apologize if you hear any weird noises. They're doing construction. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna bring you guys with me on my weekend in New York. Alright guys, so I didn't post anything at work yesterday or on the trip to the bus, which was a disaster of a trip, but I am here with this one!
Hi, it's Cotton. What's up, you guys?
I love Cotton so much.
And I love Maya so much.
I'm so glad that she's my roomie.
I know. we just had such like a relaxing, like, get ready with us moment.
Honestly.
No camera.
Honestly. And like, no one else I would stay up until like 3 a.m. with.
I know. We stayed up till 3 a.m. talking because we're so excited to see each other.
Honestly. It was so funny. She told me that she got McDonald's delivered to the W, and I'm like, big mood. So as I'm looking for the room, I don't even need to look at the room numbers. I just see the McDonald's bag outside. I'm like, there it is. Found it. So we are here. I'm with Cotton and with Kasey. We formed a new squad, guys.
New squad.
We got a new squad.
And Bailey's on the way.
Yay! And then Jen and Linda are on their way too. I'm so excited. Is it just me, or does my eye makeup look like it's like glowing right now in this lighting?
It's very euphoria.
I'm like tripping out over it right now.
I'm so loving it.
But yeah, so we are inside. We're waiting for everything to begin. We already got our wristbands so that we can drink.
It's like quick step. Okay. Thank you. Do it? You can do it. I did it for the content.
Ow. Granted, that was 21 years ago.
Doing it for the content.
Ow. I'm going to pull a muscle in my leg. I am alive, and I don't know how. So, we have squatted up, and we are getting cotton candy, and then we are getting alcohol, because we are adults, and this is what grown adults do. So, you will literally never find someone a squad met up with.
30 minutes.
Jen, say hi. Hi. We found Linda and Jen. We also found tequila. What did he say? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. For what? What? Well, you guys heard it here first. We're supposed to be an hour early and we're not happy. So it is pretty late, but we are, ooh, the lighting over here is so good though.
Is it?
This natural lighting is so good. So we're running super late, but we're about to go to day one of the actual Ipsy Live. Yesterday was just creator day. So I'm with Cotton. Okay, so we're gonna tell you guys a little story time.
We do have a story time.
About all the drama that occurred yesterday.
Massive, massive drama.
Oh my god. So we check in, everything's great. We make our new friend Kasey, who you guys have seen.
Yeah.
So we go upstairs for the panels. We sit down for the first panel, and then after it, they're like, okay, like everyone needs to go downstairs now, like build your own glam bags, but we need everyone out of here to set up for the next panel. Okay, makes sense. You know,
fine.
We're a little bit like, oh, we didn't really want to do stairs and heels, especially Kasey's poor feet. Oh my god. But we're like, okay, like that's fine. So we go downstairs, we get some cute photos in their little photo ops, and they're not letting anyone back upstairs. So like, okay, like this is weird. So we're standing around for literally like an hour and a half,
Yeah.
Like, it's 5:30 when they finally open the doors and just let us in. We don't even get to go back upstairs. Turns out that in the meanwhile, people had been going upstairs and they were doing more panels, but they were telling all of us who they had sent downstairs that we couldn't go upstairs. So pretty much if you showed up late, you got to go to the other panels.
Right.
Which, a little irked, but it was their first time in this venue. You know, mistakes happen.
It's the new
Exactly, it's like a
format.
new way of doing it.
Way of doing it. So there's gonna be
Sitting.
There's gonna be some problems and hiccups.
Exactly.
So that's okay. I'm cool with that. I can handle that.
Yeah, we have no problems with that. Like, makes sense. We have no frustration towards them at all.
Exactly.
So then, we start, you know, talking to brands and everything, and then we find out they have drinks upstairs, and we can officially go upstairs. So we go upstairs.
Tequila wall.
They had a wall with taps that had tequila cocktails in it. Oh my God. You guys know me.
It was awesome.
I am a tequila girl. A tequila wall was my everything.
I loved the tequila wall so much.
Honestly. But, so, you know, we met up with my friend Jen loves reviews. We met up with our friend Linda, Glitter Fallout, like...
Bailey. Sarian.
Yes, we met up with Bailey Sarian at one point. She didn't come with us to the tequila wall, though.
No, she was, but her and, like, Fern were, like, doing their own thing.
Yeah, we're gonna meet up with them today, though. We got really cute jackets that I'll show you guys later when I show you all the stuff that I got. They're so cute.
They are just adorable. I love her jackets.
But then the drama happened. So they came around saying that they were going to be closing at 8 instead of at 9 like the ticket said. Which we're like, okay, like,
That's
it's like
fine.
7:30 now. You guys are closing at 8, that's fine. Like, for all we know, it could have, they're saying it was a typo on the ticket. I don't care if it was a typo on the ticket. I don't care if the building decided, oh no, we need to get everyone out of the building earlier. I don't mind.
Or the fire marshal.
Exactly. That's happened in LA, hasn't it? The fire marshal shut it down.
The fire marshal shut it down when you're in LA.
So, like, we didn't mind. So Cotton and I knew that there's been so much drama with goodie bags in the past. We're like, okay, let's go get our gift bags.
Like, let's go get our gift bags, like, right now.
So me, Cotton, and Kasey went and we got our gift bags, and then we went to the bar from How I Met Your Mother after. Because you guys know me. You guys know my love for How I Met Your Mother.
Yes.
So then we're at the bar and we see that there's drama. So much drama.
And they're posting it on the forum.
For Ipsy Live Creators.
Ipsy Creator forum. Bitching about the company to the company on their page.
Gave out the CEO's email address.
Yeah, I'm sure he's really happy about that.
They're complaining that they got there late and didn't get gift bags. I understand being frustrated that you didn't get the gift bag. However, if you know registration is at a certain time, I'm the kind of person, if I'm not 15 minutes early for something, I'm late. That's just how I've always been as a person. So to me, I'm just like, you're going to show up late. I understand that, you know, people still work jobs. I had to get this time off work to be here. I understand some people couldn't get Friday off and they're like, okay, like, I'll show up late and come to the second part. I understand that. But people also need to understand that if they're going to show up late, then there's a good chance that you're not going to get all the benefits if you'd shown up on time.
And if you act like an ass, don't expect Ipsy to be really nice to you in the future.
Exactly. If you have issues, contact them privately about it.
Yeah.
Like, if you have Corey's email address, email Corey instead of giving everyone Corey's email address.
Or email Aubrey.
Honestly, Obs is the one who's in charge of influencer relations.
So that's who everybody should email.
Exactly. She wasn't at this event. She'd said in advance that she wasn't going to make it here. I understand. She's based off the West Coast. I understand that she couldn't make it to this one because someone still had to run stuff back there while we were here.
Like the forum.
The shade. We were watching so many people's Instagram stories complaining. And, like, some people had valid complaints where it's like someone was told that since they had to breastfeed their child, they could leave breastfeed and come back in, and they didn't let them back in. I understand it was a lot of miscommunications. There are some things that frustrated all of us, but we have to understand that everyone's human. They're just doing their jobs. This is the first time doing it at this event or at this venue. This is the first time that they're changing the event format.
Yeah, like, it's the first time to do this in New York.
Exactly.
You know, there's gonna be growing pains.
Exactly.
There just are. It's gonna like that with anything. Anything new.
Okay, so we're gonna go and catch the first day. and hopefully there's no more drama today.
I think it's gonna be a good day.
I think so. For an update, guys, we met up with Georgie, and Genna's over there. And
I like it not. Yeah, gotta get my angle right.
Cotton's been dancing into people.
Right.
We have
Dancing with strangers is our aesthetic.
honestly, we have like squatted up like so hard this weekend. Squatted up.
We have 2 squads going.
Yes.
Honestly, we're bouncing squat to squat, like we're intensely squatted up.
It's in your bag.
Hi! So we made it to the hair salon. I'm with Linda, and we got Prosecco. Because is there anything more me than Prosecco? Cheers, honestly.
My hair is so thin, my natural hair is so...
We bougie.
Exactly. Only a little bit. It's fine.
Look at this. Wait, did you show the back of your hair or anything? No, give me your camera. Look. How bomb. Sorry, I walked in. Double fisting some Prosecco right here. Are you trying to get me demonetized? It's a different kind of video. After hours. This is Pornhub. I forget YouTube.
So we're at the dinner, and Cotton's back with us. And Asia's with us. Hello. And we got Jen, and Linda, and Shelly, and Nicole. The squad's back together.
Yeah. How can you see that?
Go to who's following you. We just found out that Genna Marbles follows Linda, and she's not okay right now.
Oh my god!
What the fuck? Genna Marbles is following you?
Oh my god.
How did you not know that until I told you?
Oh my god. You're vlogging it. You're vlogging it. Holy shit.
You guys, Genna fucking Marbles, look, what does that say right there? What? What? What?
Wait. What?
She's following 75,000 people.
No, she doesn't follow me.
Fuck, she's not following me. Damn it. Stop it. She's not following me.
She's not following me.
I know, right? She's not following me either.
Why me?
We're gonna wait for whoever's in the bathroom to come out. I want you all to clap when you come out, okay?
Yeah.
Give them a second. We don't know. I don't dance. You have a second goodie bag in the back.
Stop it.
It's a lot bigger, so I'm so sorry if you're flying anywhere, but I just screwed you up. Well, it is now Sunday afternoon. I am with this one.
Of course I'm in here.
So we have run away from Ipsy Live because
Yes, it was crazy and we were getting tired.
we're so exhausted. I don't know how we're still functioning.
I didn't either. That's not okay.
Bro, why would you do that?
That's not cool. That's creepy. Can I take a picture of you guys?
Yeah, without consent. Yeah. So what just happened?
He was very rude. Yeah, this is what happened.
Without consent.
Yes. Some random guy just came in just
It was a
took picture of
drive-by.
them.
It was like a drive-by. It was a drive-by photo.
It really was.
Why would you ask if you're gonna take a picture anyway?
Honestly.
Yeah.
So now we're in line at Glossier, and that happened.
Well, I guess we should.
Cotton is just giving away stuff in line at Glossier.
Can I? You're not supposed to give me a copy of that for my vlog. Okay, yeah. So here you go. Here's some more face masks.
Sure. I'll always love a good face mask. Yeah.
Okay, let's see what else is good. There should be some Youth to the People. That's a good brand. That is a good. Oh yeah, that one looks kind of
Okay,
cool.
sure. Yeah, throw it in there.
The balm,
Yeah.
shampoo.
Yeah. We always use shampoo.
Why don't you just hand her the entire bag and just say, here, take it?
You know what? I probably will. If
you want it, you can have the whole bag. Oh wait, you want to get this.
Oh god.
That's
Okay,
right.
yeah, I trust you.
I
use
their
moisturizer.
Oh my gosh.
Good stuff.
They like gave me
Okay,
several like the new ones.
Yeah. This feels like Christmas morning right now.
Halloween and we're like, yeah, give me
Yeah, this is the adult version of Halloween.
Yeah, I'm like, take it, please. Do you want that brush?
Do you want the brush?
Take brush?
Sure.
It's like a traditional.
Yeah,
You can
sure.
use it for masks.
Yeah. Oh yeah, masks. Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm like, seriously, like totally. I'm like, take what you want.
Wow.
Oh, there's a Ciate.
Oh, I love a good lip gloss. Yep.
That's a glitter flip, I think.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is good.
Pumpkin. I love pumpkin.
So I'm editing now. It's Monday. Clearly, I'm recovering. My skin is recovering. I didn't record on my way home because I just took the bus home and that was a trip in and of itself. It was the jerkiest bus ride I've ever been on. And I get car sick as it is. So it was absolutely miserable. I was trying the entire time not to get car sick. And then when I got home, Pip was missing. That was a whole nother production, but anyone who knows me knows that my cat, my Pippington, is the love of my life, and she was missing. It's not a good time for me. So, yeah, I just didn't vlog it, and then I woke up this morning, and I started editing. And my skin is in need of so much TLC after this weekend because, oh my god, I put it through hell. But yeah, I actually already filmed a video explaining why I've been gone for so long, but my mic wasn't working, so you guys will see that soon. Most importantly though, coming up next, guys, you'll see my haul and my giveaway. Yes, I am doing a giveaway. Stay tuned for that. All in all, I would say Ipsy Live was a complete success. A lot of people had some drama. I heard more of the story after me and Cotton talked about it. But yeah, from what I've heard, there's a lot of unnecessary drama. But luckily it went off without a hitch for me. I was quite fond of it. I'll definitely be at the next one. And yeah, you guys know how much I love these things and I love my friends. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I didn't get more fun footage, but honestly, I was just living in the moment with my friends. I know that sounds really dumb, but especially for a vlogger to say. But I was just living in the moment with my friends and living my best life. Thank you for watching. I am back now. You will be seeing me uploading every Wednesday again. Yes, that is right, every Wednesday. Just not this Wednesday because this video is going up this week instead. Although, if I have time, I may be able to push out another video this week. I may be able to push out a Wednesday video still. Hopefully. Fingers crossed, guys. I have a hair appointment tomorrow. So, fingers crossed, after my hair appointment, I have time to push out a video. But, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe. And I will see you all later. Bye, guys.
I don't know, but I've been told the world outside is oh so cold. So cold.